reflected in quiet moments, in daily struggles, late night efforts, and kind gestures that often go unnoticed. To our teachers, the ones who give second chance without making you feel small. The ones who are crying, okay lang yan, basta ipasa mo mamaya ha. Even if it was already your third late submission. Like that classmate who whispered, may binasa ka na? May gawa ka na? Huy! Ganyan na. People who believe and encourage you when you doubt yourself, saying, kaya mo yan. And to ourselves, for showing up, even when it was hard.
Kilala namin yung taga-amin.
Those moments made all the difference. And without them,
hospitality.
I may not
Mabait
be
talaga siya.
standing here today. Truthfully, I didn't start out as someone people looked up to. In high school, I was shy, distracted, the gamer, the binge watcher who watched 1 to 2 seasons of anime per day. The ones who joke around often. I was the groupmate who you wouldn't want. I even stopped school for a year during the pandemic. But something changed in college. I saw my parents aging. And with that came the realization. They gave up so much so I could dream. I saw them struggle, and yet they keep going for me. Maybe they put their dreams on hold so I could chase mine. And I realized the least that I could do is try. To try little by little, even if I make mistakes. I didn't chase awards. I just want to make them proud. So, Daddy, kahit malayo ka ngayon at nasa abroad ka, habang graduation ko, ramdam ko ang 22 years mong sakripisyo. Hindi mo man napagtapos ang pag-aaral mo. Pero ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit nandito ako ngayon. Mami, salamat sa walang sawang pagmamahal, sa pangunawa, at sa suporta. To all parents and guardians here, this is your celebration too. We graduates have faced so much. We began college in pandemic. We transitioned from MS Teams to face-to-face. Some of us worked night shift to pay tuition. Others cared for family, juggled responsibilities, or simply fought battles no one else saw. So, let me say this to every graduate today. Whether you graduated with honors or barely crossed the finish line, you are worthy of this moment. Whether you bloomed early or late, you're growing in your own time. And if you don't have it figured all out, that's okay. Because sometimes just trying is enough. And if you had to pause, that's not failure. That's survival. That is strength. Trying when the time is right means honoring your pace, listening to your journey, and trusting yourself. Before I end this, I'd like to honor God for holding space for us in every season. Our school administrator, academic head, and STI College Kirby staff for building an environment where we can learn, fall, and rise again. To our teachers, for patience, beliefs, and silent support. To our families, for the strength and the love that carried us through, and especially our classmates. For the laughter, for the group chats, for the group works, shared stress that made everything bearable. Let me leave you with 3 lessons that shaped me. Number 1, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. That's from Ali Abdal. It's a life lesson for him. Number 2, make all the mistakes now. You will make mistakes? Yes. Hundreds? Yes. 1,000? Yes. That's how you learn. And most importantly, accept that you will make mistakes. This is from a senior chef I met during my cruise ship on the job training. And most importantly, be the person who still tries. Not out of pressure, but out of purpose. Try again, not because you have
Kaya
to,
nag-duty siya doon.
but because
Last,
your heart is
bago lang
ready.
dito, bago lang din, bago mag 1 month or 2 weeks na umuwi.
Some will move
May
early,
na siya eh, kasi addict siya
others a
ng
little
alcohol.
later. But all of us
Oo.
are growing in our own way, in our own time. You don't have to be the best or the best.
Mabait
Just
na bata
be
yun.
brave enough to
Kasi
begin.
taga-Caloocan din sa amin malapit. Malapit
And with
sa
that,
amin.
allow me one last minute. Not
Tinatanong
just
niya
for a
na,
photo,
"Hmm,
but to
mananalo
capture
naman kayo. Ano ba yung
a
ingredients
memory.
nyo na naman? Kasi mayroon
A
sila
reminder
dati,
that
may
we're
hospitality
here
sila eh.
today.
Hospitality sila, magaling sila.
At the end of one chapter
Ano kaya para manalo din
and
kami?
the beginning of so many more. I bring up my camera, so I just want to take a picture with you guys.
Ano yan, ano magaling na bata. Ano sa Kristan yan eh, doon sa amin.
So, congratulations, STI College Purdue, batch 2024-2025. We made it. That's all.
Thank you very much, Mr. Emerald Iliao, for that very inspiring message.
Mabait na bata.
Graduates, you are now entering a new phase in your lives, ready to face the challenges of the outside world. May we call on Ms. Kaya Maxine De Leon